Yo, stop these. Yo, don't blame your mom and dad for being ugly. It's not genetics. It is the things that you're doing on a daily basis that are making you ugly. For example, you're obsessing over women. You constantly thinking about women getting laid, adding more notches on your pole, constantly looking at pornography and over-glorifying them is draining. It drains your money. It drains your mental capacity, it drains your energy, it drains your time. Do you not see how much time that you're just wasting on this vapious thing? Like, yes, finding the love of your life is important, and finding that partner, making that connection, having somebody you can, but if all you're doing is obsessing over the next girl, yo, you're ruining yourself. Number two, excessive amounts of alcohol. Look, I don't even like to drink, I'll be honest. I don't drink. I might drink once a year, if that. I'll have a cup at a social event. But for the most part, I just do not drink. And the reality is, you can't give me one benefit. If you can't talk to a girl without drinking, you got a problem. If you can't have fun without drinking, you got a problem. If you can't deal with your problems without drinking, you got a problem. On top of the fact, drinking makes you gain weight, right? It's a bunch of empty calories. It also is a dehydrator, so it makes your skin look dull. It leads to premature aging. It dries it out. I'm not telling you not to drink or to drink, do whatever you want. What I am telling you is that excessive amount of drinking is making you look worse. Number three, smoking or vaping. First of all, you'll die early, but more importantly, your teeth get yellow. It ruins your skin. It destroys it. It causes early wrinkles. Why would you want to do that to yourself? And I get it, and especially if it's addictive. If you know you're addicted to it, you already know you gotta cut it. Number four, not investing in the right tools. Go to every girl's bathroom. Go right now. You will find tool on tool. They have the steamer, the blow dryer, the red light therapy, the this, the that, the other. They have every tool under the sun to look as beautiful as possible. You can do the same, to look as attractive as possible, but you don't. You don't invest in yourself in the same way women do, while you should be doing that to look as attractive as possible. And I get it. There's not enough tools out there. And that's what I'm trying to fill the void with Heat Grooming. Look, with Heat Grooming, I design tools for men that look aesthetic, that look sexy in your bathroom, but more importantly, make you look sexy. And right now, we just dropped our new product, which is our bathroom dop kit. It's a high quality dop kit that you can use to carry all your tools when you're traveling, but also to keep them organized in your bathroom. And we're not even done. I want to do an offer right now with this dop kit, because I don't want you to just have a dop kit. I want you to have a dop kit with the tools that make you look attractive. So, for today only, boys, right now, if you guys click the link down below, you will get our dop kit. You're gonna get our toothbrush, guaranteed to make your teeth whiter, our electric toothbrush. You're gonna get our derma roller, which obviously you need to make your beard look as thick as possible. You're gonna get our beard kit to take care of your beard, the brushes that you need, the combs that you need, the scissors that you need. You're gonna get all those tools plus our dop kit today at a 40% discount. Boys, if I were you, I would run to this, because if I'm not wrong, we're low on our derma roller, we're pretty much done with our beard kit, and this is a new product, our dop kit. It's probably gonna sell out just as fast. I do not want you to miss it. If you want the tools to make you look as attractive as possible, click that link down below. You're not replacing your towel or your pillowcases fast enough. Most of you will use that same towel for over a month. You'll use the same pillowcases for over a month. What you don't understand, all that sweat, all that water that you're absorbing with the towel, all that dead skin is piling up on these products. These you should be replacing on a weekly basis, because when you don't, you're basically just reinfecting your skin. All your pores will get clogged with all that dirt, all that oil, all that dead skin, and cause and lead to irritation and acne. You're drinking too much coffee. Drinking too much coffee dehydrates your skin. It causes dark-eyed circles. It makes you look older. I want you to instead sleep better. I want you to instead have a healthy sleep cycle where you're getting at least 7 hours, and I promise you this, you will not be relying on coffee for energy. Instead, you will have your own natural energy, which is brightening. You look like you're a different man. Your confidence will be high. Your energy levels will be high. You're not exercising. And if you are, you're not consistent. Look, going once a month is not enough. Going once a week is not enough. You should be exercising daily, at least 4 times a week. But daily should be your goal. And I'm not telling you to go hard every day. Yo, some days it could be a walk. Some days it could be a jog, or go on a bike, or go play sports, or do whatever. But stay active daily. Be consistent. You're spending way too many hours on Pornhub. I can guarantee you this. Most of you watching this right now, your day is split into 2 things: Pornhub video games. You'll go from video games to Pornhub to video games. Yo, that's depressing. Like, how can you live your life like that? And then when you turn 25, 26, 30, you look back, you're like, man, this is not fair. Man, I'm not far in life. Yet you spend the last 5 to 10 years literally beating your meat and playing COD. Like, yo, you're spending too much time on social media. Yo, time is your most valuable asset. You have to understand that if all you're doing is consuming other people's content without you yourself building anything for yourself, you will end up with nothing at the end. And more importantly, you are literally letting time fly by without taking care of yourself. This is why you're looking uglier.